Hi, in front of me I have ACER Iconia One 10-inch model B3-A40, and I'm gonna show you how to go through the first setup on this device. Let's start by selecting the language. To do it, you can tap on this text right here above the Get Started button to open the list of languages. Now you can swipe up and down on the screen to scroll through the list, find the language you like to use, and to select it, simply tap on it. I'm gonna select English. Now we can select the region, for example, United States. After you select the language, you can tap on Get Started to continue. But you can also tap on Vision Settings right here to access the settings for some features like magnification, font size, display size, and talk back. Okay, now let's tap on Get Started to continue. Here we need to agree to the license agreement. Simply check the box and then tap Next. Now we can copy apps and data from another device. To do it, select the Keep Your Apps and Data option, or we can set it up as new. I want to set it up as new, so I'm gonna tap on Set Up as New. Now we can connect to Wi-Fi. You can also skip this step by tapping Don't use any network for setup, but I recommend you to connect to Wi-Fi, so let's select the network and give me a few seconds. I'm gonna enter the password. And once you're done entering the password, simply tap on Connect to connect to the network. Now we can log in into a Google account. You can also skip this step by tapping Skip button right here. But I'm gonna log into one, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address or account name. Now we need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. And once you're done entering the password, tap on Next to continue. Here tap on I agree. Right here we can turn on and off some of the Google services. To do it, simply tap the switch next to the service. For example, we can turn off the Google backup or backup to Google Drive, or turn it on, and you can turn on many more things right here. And once you're done adjusting the settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Next. Right here we can set up a screen protection, basically, something like pattern pin or password. If you want to do it, simply select the method you want to use and set up your password. I don't want to do it, so I'm gonna tap on Not Now and then tap on Skip anyway. For some reason the screen flipped, so I'm gonna rotate my device for now so you can see what's happening. So here let's tap on Next. Now we can enable the Google Assistant. To do it, tap on Turn On, and if you don't want to do it, simply tap on No Thanks. I'm gonna tap on No Thanks. And on this screen we can also add another email account, add payment method, review additional apps, or we can just tap on Setup Later to skip this and finish the setup. I'm gonna tap on Setup Later. Here let's tap on Finish. And now at this point the setup is complete and we can use our device. And that's how you go through the first setup on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.